So that's why I just have to work with her a little bit here. I know. Honey, come on. Come on. And I'm just right at the front of the roof of her mouth. I'm not pushing back.
Right.
So she's just, like, doing this before she would just suck like crazy. Now she's just like, they're smart.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to give her too much time because we're at, what, the 3-hour mark now. It was 5:15 or 5:10 that she ate. And I just think if we, she's doing it now. Let's just see what she does. Come on, sweetheart. Keep sucking. I know. That wants to come up, huh? Come on. She's working on something. She's chewing on something there. Get that out. Let's just try with Mommy. Maybe